think they made that word up.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You know, we can't make a snow maze because we don't have enough snow.
Oh, but that could change.
It could change. I think it will change, not enough, but we do have 2 rounds of snow, one tomorrow and then one on Wednesday, and wind. So a little bit active here, more like winter. We have some snow on Storm Tracker. Most of this is not reaching the ground, but it is up in St. Lawrence County, the Seaway Valley. The report out of Messina and Potsdam has light snow right now, but nothing yet in the Champlain Valley. So this band here, especially where you see some of the darker blues, is where we have a little light snow coming down. There's more moisture off to the west, so we have this band of light snow that'll come through. But also interesting to note, see how it goes over to a mix and just rain near Toronto? So we will warm up tomorrow, mainly in the afternoon. So a little slippery in the morning tomorrow. So the visibility is generally unrestricted, meaning the snow has, for the most part, yet to move in, though it has in Messina, as I said. 22 in Plattsburgh right now. We have 19 in Lebanon. Look at this tongue of warmth, though. It's 53 in Detroit. So that's why we warm up tomorrow. Should even have some rain showers in here by tomorrow afternoon. So in the morning, still cold enough for snow. We'll call it a dusting to 2 inches for all of us tomorrow morning. So slippery in spots. Then we have some rain showers tomorrow evening. It's windy tomorrow in the Champlain Valley, and then we get colder on Wednesday. So for Wednesday, it's back to snow. And you see why we have a little bit of a mix later tomorrow, because the highs get well up into the 30s, maybe even touch 40. But the wind, I'd say the wind is the most significant thing about tomorrow, because this snow that comes through tomorrow morning, just not that heavy, doesn't have much punch to it, but some roads will be slippery in the morning. Then look at this. Tomorrow, later in the day, we have the rain showers. Slowly, though, going into Wednesday, it gets colder. So Wednesday morning, maybe still a mix of rain and snow, but the trend is to all snow on Wednesday. And really, there should be a ton of mountain snow, a big upslope snowstorm Wednesday and Thursday. So the ski areas will do really well as we head through Wednesday and Thursday. So here's the wind advisory, mainly for tomorrow morning out of the south, right over Lake Champlain, Burlington, Plattsburgh included. Should be up to about 55 miles per hour. So there may be issues with the ferry. The wind will certainly be strong tomorrow, and then it diminishes, the wind that is, by later on. So in terms of snowfall by very late on Wednesday, we'll call it through Wednesday night. We're expecting 3 to 6 inches in the Champlain Valley, 6 to 12 for most of the Adirondacks, 6 to 12 for much of the Northeast Kingdom down the spine of the Green Mountains, but only about 1 to 3 inches right in Lebanon in the Upper Valley. Again, this is largely on Wednesday into Wednesday night, because tomorrow morning it's just a little bit, an inch or two in spots. So definitely the bigger impact is on Wednesday. There's still some snow showers, mainly in the mountains on Thursday, and then it is cold that we'll be talking about. A big blast of cold, single-digit highs on Friday, below 0 Saturday morning, maybe even Sunday morning. Looks quiet this weekend. There might be a storm that passes by the New England coast on Sunday or Monday, but doesn't really look like it'll impact us, guys.